Hello dear users in the World Wide Web. Today I'm coming to you from Hanover, Germany, from the largest industry trade fair in the world. Of course, I'm heading to the Jumo booth. My name is Michael Bleuel. I have breakfast and good shoes with me, so follow me. I know the way. So, I finally made it. I'm standing here at the hotspot of measurement and control technology. For 67 years now, Jumo has been a part of the Hannover Messe, and to quote the German singer Udo Jürgens very loosely, 67 is nowhere near to the end of the road. Quite the contrary, Jumo has several interesting innovations to offer this year as well. For example, this little guy here. Looks small, but packs a punch underneath the thread groove. Let me introduce you to Midas. Sounds a little like a Greek god, but it solves very earthly problems. The Midas H20 HP pressure transmitter is designed for use in agricultural and forestry equipment, construction machinery or injection molding equipment. So anywhere things come down to the nitty-gritty. It reliably checks the hydraulics in grains and can also be used dependably in braking systems. Pollutants, vibrations, moisture, temperatures from -40 to 125 degrees, no problem. Relative pressure of 100 to 1000 bar, no problem. Whether used with an M12, AMP, Deutsche DT or Matri pack connection, the Midas H20 HP plays well with others, and thanks to its compact inner workings is available starting with an insertion length of 35 mm. So its application is particularly flexible. At the same time, it can also withstand an insulation voltage of up to 500 volts. Midas, small but so that you keep on digging strong tomorrow. Charles Darwin would be extremely happy with this flagship Jumo product. The Logoscreen 600 is the latest creation from a long line of Jumo recorders. Whereas its ancestors were still equipped with roll of paper and ink pins, the Logoscreen 600 has a completely digital approach. The operating concept is truly revolutionary for a paperless recorder and is inspired by modern smartphones and tablets. All requested data can be displayed with a maximum of 3 touch gestures. The basic model alone can receive 24 analog or digital measured values. The premium model has 6 analog and 12 digital inputs, 2 analog outputs, and in addition 12 individually switchable digital inputs or outputs. Even though the Logoscreen 600 is an entry-level model, it's a David that can take on the Goliaths in many functions. And because it's so small and compact, it can also be installed in narrow control cabinets. But this tiny box is a respectable package. Its 1 GB of memory alone provides space to save years' worth of process values. It recently became possible to monitor the Logoscreen 600 with a smartphone as well. In combination with the brand new Jumo device app, you, the user, have a true dream team at hand. Do you want to know if your industrial furnace is working properly? No problem. Whether at the office, at home, on the train or anywhere you might stop your car, switch on your smartphone and there you go. Tap your smartphone and the requested information is already right in front of you. All thanks to Industry 4.0. Jumo engineers are constantly working on improving the Jumo device app. Individual process screens are in development. Have you ever had a similar experience? You take a relaxed swim in the public pool, get out of the water and look like Dracula's great-grandchild. Bloodshot eyes are usually the result of too much chlorine. Many values have to be monitored to ensure good water quality, pH value, turbidity, oxygen content and, of course, the temperature. In the liquid analysis sector, Jumo has a true trade fair innovation to offer this year, an upgrade of the Jumo DigiLine system. Now I would like to welcome the DigiLine expert here with me. Hello, Mr. Prosig.
Hello, Mr. Bloyle.
Mr. Prosig, what is so special about Jumo DigiLine and why should the users switch to this system?
Jumo DigiLine is a bus-compatible connection system for digital sensors in liquid analysis. For the user, the system dramatically reduces the cabling requirements for both startup and maintenance later on, naturally reducing the costs as well. Up to now, if you were active in the field of liquid analysis, you had to connect each individual sensor with a cable. With DigiLine, you can connect different sensors with standard Y cable lines or use the new Jumo DigiLine hub to create intelligent sets and networks. The great thing about Jumo DigiLine is the removable electronics. This means that the user can, for example, remove a pH electrode from the process, calibrate it in the laboratory under standard conditions, and then bring it back and install it. The system has plug-and-play capability. This means that as soon as the electrode is reinstalled in the process, it is automatically recognized by the electronics and is immediately operational again. The removable electronics are another extreme cost factor, of course. For example, a pH electrode is a wearing part and must be replaced regularly. But the electronics can be used again and again. They have standard connections, though the previously used pH electrodes can be utilized without a problem.
Up to 62 DigiLine sensors can be connected to the Jumo M-tron-T automation system. It's the all-round free package for your liquid analysis. Of course, here at the Hannover Messe you can find the best consulting for all Jumo products. But that would go beyond the scope of our report. This was Michael Bloyle on the go for Jumo. I'm signing off from Hannover and don't forget, treasure your measure with control. So, where was the exit again?